I'm here at Koompartu Almond Farm, a 2,500 hectare site in Monash, close to Berry in South Australia.
Koompartu Farms is a large-scale almond orchard in the Riverland region of South Australia. You can imagine in the middle of summer, this orchard uses a lot of power, and interruptions to power supply can have a material impact on tree health and yield.
AGL's worked closely with RRG Capital to design a solution that will help them address their energy needs on site. The system includes a 9.2 megawatt solar farm consisting of roughly 15,600 solar panels, a 10.2 megawatt hour battery, as well as 19 kilometres of underground high voltage power lines.
A microgrid enables a high penetration of renewables, in particular solar and battery, and that limits our requirement to use grid power and diesel generators, and that reduces our emissions. From our perspective, the partnership with AGL has been both a constructive and strategically aligned one. AGL's strategic strength is its ability to assist us with translating our sustainability outcomes into practical on-the-ground outcomes.
RRG is leading the way in its sustainable agriculture, and AGL is proud to be a part of that journey with them.